Hey y'all, happy Halloween. I have to go see our veterinarian tomorrow to pick up a prescription for the Groot, and I'm gonna take them something special for the day. You guessed it right, we're gonna make cinnamon rolls with biscuits. I have my surface covered with saran wrap. We're gonna cover this area with some flour. Yeah, flour. Sometimes I have clean hands. Let's spread this around. Got my rolling pin here. Flour it tea. Yeah. And see, flour everywhere. It's all right. Let's have some fun. Just gonna lay these down, kind of like get some flour on each side. Let's go for it. Yeah. Yeah. See, I already messed up. I might have went a little overkill on the amount of flour. It's all right. Last time I did this, I didn't have enough flour. Story of my life. Too much or too little. It's all right. We're gonna make it happen. I'm changing this up a little. That's just way too much flour. If you don't know me, I'm gonna tell you now, I don't really bake. It's not my thing. I'd rather be making you guys some gumbo right now, but I have this stuff, so I'm doing this. Just a little water. See if that helps. There we go. Okay, we're just trying to make what's similar to a rectangle. I got some melted butter. I have 4 tablespoons in here, but I'm not using it all right here, right now. Because, you know, we still gotta make icing. 1 cup of brown sugar. We're gonna spread that all around. All right, let's move on. We're just making a log. Tuck and turn. Keep tucking and turning. Try to keep it tight. That's all right. We have more butter. All right, now we have a sticky, messy, ooey gooey log. That's all right. I'm gonna cut this piece off and this piece off. I will still cook them. We will still use them. I want 12 of these. Okay, we have 12. And normally I put this just in a pan, but because I'm taking this, you know, to people, I'm gonna do little cupcakes out of them. So put 1 in each one. Okay, now these are going in the oven at 350 degrees.
Okay, 15 minutes, starting now.
Orange flavored icing without orange extract. I'll show you how. In here I have 1 cup powdered sugar, and we're gonna sift it. We're gonna sift it. This is the way I do it. Don't make fun. This isn't an actual sifter. I got the job done. Now to this, we're gonna add some fresh squeezed mandarin or oranges. About 2 tablespoons. They really don't make much. These are the little ones. I think they're called cooties, something like that. There's 1 and there's 2. Let's mix that together. That's where the orange flavor comes from. Well, most of it. Biscuit, mix it on. I'm gonna add a touch more. Maybe, if it wants to come out. Feed me the juice. Thank you. All right. Okay, now we're gonna add 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, go back in there. Yeah, okay. A touch of salt. Wait, that's it. And we're gonna want some zest from an orange. About 1/2 of a teaspoon. Hello. Oh, now it's a sticky orange. Okay. Basically, the zest of one of these little oranges. 1/2 teaspoon of this melted butter, which is not hot, and give it a stir. We've only got 3 minutes, and those biscuits will be done. Cinnamon rolls, whatever. So we'll come back to this once they're done. They're ready. Let's pull them out. Yum. I'll put them on this towel. Let me get my leftovers out too. Those are hot. Turn the oven on. Now we're gonna let these rest away from the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Until they're not hot, and we'll go from there. Well, I forgot that I gave away my container that holds like a dozen cupcakes, but we'll use this, and that's fine because, to be honest, the people at the vet clinic know us and our dogs very well. Let's put this icing on these and cover them up and get them ready to take to them tomorrow. Here's your icing. We're just gonna drizzle. Happy Halloween, everybody. Enjoy. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. And I've got something else coming up very soon, right over there.